In this video, I will show you how to set up your new NMAxe quickly. There are two main ways to power the NMAxe. The first is with PV power supply interface. Different regions have different AC standards, but we mainly focus on the American PD interface. When you turn on the NMAxe, you will automatically go to the configuration page due to the network timeout. A QR code will appear on the screen, which you will need to scan to set up the NMAxe. The second one I'm going to show you is about the AC to DC adapter. The American standard adapter, like the PD power supply, when you turn on the device, it will go to the QR code page as well. Now let's discuss how to configure NMAxe on your iPhone. Turn on the NMAxe, and when you see the QR code page, use your iPhone to find the NMAxe XXXX Wi-Fi signal and connect. Open your phone's browser, type 192.168.4.1 and wait for 2 to 5 seconds. If successful, you will see the same page shown in the video. To set up the NMAxe, first enter your Wi-Fi name SSID. For example, if your home Wi-Fi name is MTech 2.4G, type in MTech 2.4G here. Next, enter the password for MTech 2.4G in the Wi-Fi password field. You can keep the default Stratum URL and the port as shown in the video, but feel free to change them later. Enter your BTC wallet address in the Stratum user field. You can leave the Stratum password field as its default setting. Keep the overclock field as its default setting. Leave the vCore field as its default setting. Adjust the screen brightness to your liking. After making these changes, click the save button, then and restart the button. The device will reboot and connect to Wi-Fi you set to access the internet and the pool. If everything is working correctly, the NMAxe will show the main screen as seen in the video. To access the device web page, connect your iPhone to the MTech 2.4G network and enter NAN IP address from the user right corner of the NMAxe screen in your browser. Note, if you're using an iPhone, delete the previous Wi-Fi connection. The NMAxe XXXX network does not provide internet service, so your iPhone will disconnect from NMAxe XXXX and will connect to Wi-Fi that provides internet by default.